Finally, our best all-in-one desktop computer is the Dell Inspiron. The Dell Inspiron is an impressive combination of performance and design, making it an excellent choice for both work and entertainment. Powered by an Intel 10-core i7-1500U processor, this desktop is built to handle demanding tasks effortlessly. With a 12 MB cache, 10 cores, and a turbo boost speed of up to 5.4 GHz, it ensures smooth multitasking, allowing users to run multiple applications without lag. For an enhanced visual experience, the Dell Inspiron features a 27-inch Full HD Infinity Touch display. With its narrow bezels and wide viewing angles, the screen provides sharp, detailed images, making it ideal for productivity tasks and media consumption. The touch capability adds a layer of convenience, allowing for easy interaction with your tasks. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce, which delivers smooth visuals and reliable performance for light gaming and graphics-intensive applications. The addition of Wi-Fi 6E technology ensures faster and more stable internet connectivity, while Windows 11 Pro enhances the overall experience with its security features and advanced tools. The Dell Inspiron comes with a lifetime Microsoft Office license and an ergonomic mouse, making it a great productivity solution for professionals. However, one downside is that the graphics card, while decent for everyday tasks, may not be powerful enough for more serious gaming or heavy graphic design work. Additionally, the all-in-one design limits the ability to upgrade certain components in the future. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.